Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of our Claude Monet painting. Today we are going to add our water lilies. I have my assistant Buddy here with me, and we are going to show you how to add the water lilies using tissue paper and glue. So you will see that I have some tissue paper. What we're going to do is we are going to make lily pads that are oval shaped. If you ever notice when you're looking across at lily pads, they're not quite round. They are actually more of a shape like this. If you can, no, you can't see that. Hold on. Yeah, it's going to be kind of, I'll just cut it out and you'll see what I drew. So it's going to be kind of like this. And they don't all have to be green. You can make them whatever colors you want. If you've noticed, Claude Monet actually did use a lot of different colors. He didn't add his water lilies using tissue paper, but I just thought it would be fun to do. So then it kind of looks like a flattened out Pac-Man maybe. And then you're going to add a little tiny dot of glue, not lots of glue. So I'm going to undo this and put a dot, and then you can put it anywhere you want. I'll put it right there. You want to kind of put them bigger towards the front. I made that kind of a medium-sized one, so I'll put that one right in the middle. If I were to add a bigger one, I'm going to put it in the front. That shows something called perspective. So if you look out the window, you'll notice that a tree that is further away will definitely look like it's smaller, even though you know it's a regular sized tree. So I'm going to make one like that, and I might, you don't have to add this little piece like that, but I will. So this one is bigger than that one, so I'm going to put this one closer to the bottom. Like I said, let me do one that's not green, because I did just say you don't have to just do all green ones. How about if I do one that is, what colors we have? How about a nice bright purple one? That might look really neat, especially since my picture is really green right now. Now if I add a smaller one, I'm going to put it towards the back of the picture. So this one's actually smaller than this one. And I'll put this one towards the back. And let's see how a purple one looks on here. Oh yeah, there's a little purple one. And then the other thing you might want to add is tiny flowers. Okay, because there are little flowers, and we're going to make these kind of 3D-ish. You don't want to add like huge chunks because it's just not going to look natural, especially with all the cool painting and artwork that we have done thus far. So let's say I'm going to make a blue flower. I'm actually going to take a piece that is probably about this big, which is like a little bit bigger than your thumb. And then I'm going to wrinkle it up like this and make it into a little tiny flower. And I might add it right onto the edge of the lily pad like that. Okay, so you can add flowers to it. You can add lily pads to it. Since this is Claude Monet's water lilies, that's kind of what I don't know about a green flower. Maybe I'll make another lily pad. Kind of like the green lily pad look, but I also like the colored lily pad look. Both look super nice, and like I said, pick whatever colors you want. So I'm going to make another bigger one. Where would I put it? The top? Nah. Middle? Maybe. Probably not, because that's too much bigger. So I'm going to put this one probably right there. So a few little dots there. And there we go. And there's another lily pad. And what color should I make the flower? I can make a flower about a like a pinkish purple flower. It's the same color as that one. I'm going to wrinkle that up. And because it's bigger, I made a slightly bigger flower. Not a whole lot bigger. But you can kind of see how that all looks, and it makes a super impressive look. You're going to fill your page up with as many or as few lily pads and flowers that you would like. You don't want to add a ton of flowers. You don't want to lose all your cool painting that we've been working on. But that's kind of the way you want to do it. I want you to have time to work on it. So enjoy.